This video tutorial will show you how to attach your Smart Notebook file into the discussion board section of the class. So here's my notebook file. I have it 2 pages. I've used 2 different lesson activity toolkits from part 1. On the first one I have an image sort, and my second page is dealing with an anagram. Now FYI, if you wanted to rename your pages, all you have to do is just right click and you could go to rename your page if you wanted to name your page the type of activity tool that you used. I also just added some images from the gallery as well as adding a text title. So here is my 2-page Smart Notebook file. I've already saved it, so I'm going to close out of this and I'm going to open up Blackboard. I am to the assignment section. I can get to the discussion board in 2 places. I can get through it through Assignments, Discussion Board, or I can also go to Discussion Board in this right here, Lesson Activity Toolkit. Now in this, when you attach your Smart Notebook file, be sure to include the information listed here. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to create a thread and put my title, in which is Basic Shapes. I'm going to add the information that's required. I'm going to put the teacher's name, the grade level that this is going to be for. It is in the math curriculum, and the 2 activity toolkits that I use. So I use the image match and the anagram. How do I plan to use this with my students? So I plan to use this notebook file in a center for my students to practice identifying the basic shapes. Now I'm ready to attach my file. So I'm going to scroll down a little further to where I see attachments. I'm going to browse my computer to go and get that Smart Notebook file that I saved. It's going to be located, I saved mine on my desktop. So I'm going to go and locate that file, and here it is, Basic Shapes. It's a notebook file, and I'm going to do Open. And it automatically attaches that file, and then I'm going to click Submit. And now there is my thread. Whenever anyone views my thread, they'll click on Basic Shapes, they'll read my information, and this is my Smart Notebook file. Now I will tell you, if you have trouble opening other classmates' notebook files, sometimes it works better if you save it and then open it, but then of course sometimes you can just click on it and open it. So just to let you know. That ends this tutorial of how to attach a Smart Notebook file in the discussion.